And we do want to thank you for joining us tonight at 7. I'm Justin Kolar. A lengthy and long-awaited appeal for convicted murderer Alex Murdaugh was filed today in the South Carolina Supreme Court. The 56-year-old Murdaugh was convicted in March of 2023 for the killings of his wife and son at their Colleton County home 2 years earlier. Now, this appeal comes after the South Carolina Supreme Court ruled in August to allow a judge to decide if Murdaugh should be granted a new murder trial over a claim of jury tampering. Live 5 investigative reporter Emily Johnson now joins us tonight to break down that appeal. And Emily, this appeal is more than 130 pages long, and we understand you just got your hands on it within the last hour. Certainly there's a lot more details to go through, but what can you tell us tonight so far, Emily?
Yes, Justin, like you said, there is a lot that we've gone through right now. And as I've been sifting through these documents, I can tell you there are truly two main arguments that are most important in understanding this appeal, with the first being allegations brought against former Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill. The appeal alleges that Hill denied Murdaugh a fair trial by swaying jurors to find him guilty with secret advocacy for a guilty verdict in the jury room. It references a hearing last January where multiple jurors testified that Hill told them to watch Murdaugh's actions in body language. One juror in particular stated that Hill's comments affected her verdict because Hill made it seem like he was already guilty. The other main argument in the appeal surrounds alleged improper character evidence allowed by the court that, quote, infected the trial with unfairness. One example details Murdaugh's financial crimes being included in the double murder trial as irrelevant, stating his other criminal acts could have painted him as a bad character. It also lists the admission of irrelevant and unreliable firearms evidence as another reason for the appeal, referencing specific testimony and evidence. Now, it's currently unknown when exactly the state Supreme Court will be hearing this appeal in person. But as for Hill's involvement, she was expected to face the state's Ethics Commission on December 19th, but that is now on hold in light of a pending criminal investigation underway by the Attorney General's office. From the First Alert Desk, Emily Johnson, back to you, Justin.